Hi viewers, I am Dr. Sajani Velayathan from District Hospital, Korancheri. Do you know the topic today? No? It's mathematics. Is it tough for you or easy for you? For some people it is easy and for some people it's very tough. We use mathematics in our day-to-day life. It's the queen of all subjects. We use it daily many times. We Indians can be proud of Aryabhatta, who invented zero. We can be proud of great Ramanuja also. We use this subject daily, necessarily or unnecessarily. It starts from our kitchen when our mother measures the rice for cooking. Right? We use mathematics knowingly or unknowingly in music, dance, carpentry work, sculpting, engineering works, etc. Even uneducated people, illiterate people count. If he doesn't know counting, he knows only up to 5 numbers. So he'll count like 4, 4, 4, 4 like that. There are numbers from finite to infinite. So people are very interested in knowing about all these develops theories, laws and formulas. That is higher mathematics. In all these we use addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In COVID-19 situation also we use mathematics to, the medical field people use mathematics to control this pandemic. You know how many deaths had happened, how many got recovered, how many people are on treatment. So like that they are observing it, and we draw curves so that we'll know whether the pandemic is coming low or going high. So even in this situation we are using mathematics. I'm not going to talk about all these high funda mathematics, higher modern or higher mathematics. I am going to talk about very simple basic mathematics, because the children are having difficulties in mathematics. So I am just talking only about the basics of math. When I was in school, we used to look upon a person. I used to look upon a person who always come in. That time only newspaper was there. So in 10th, first rank. Pre-degree means now 12th standard, no? First rank. Engineering entrance, first rank. That too got admission in IIT. Then BTech, first rank. IAS, first rank. Can you guess who it is? I'll tell you in the end. Why I am talking about this person is, I have read in newspaper that he used to do mathematics during his free time and used to enjoy doing mathematics. How we enjoy games, no? Like that. So I will talk about it later, but now I will come back again to basic mathematics, about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. When beginners or the people who are having, the children who are having difficulty in mathematics, we can start from counting if they don't know the number concept. For example, we can take buttons up to 50 or 100, but take only 10 buttons for the base and count from 1 to 10 and ask the child to take 3 for you, 5 for you, 6 for you. So he will get the concept. First count and then ask him to differentiate different numbers. Okay. Then you can, when he is thorough with 10 10 buttons or the number 10, you can make it as 20, 30, 40. You can ask him, give me 50 buttons or give me 45 buttons. He will count and give. Make him count and give you the numbers. Okay. So like that you can make counting easier for children. Another technique to understand addition is take a notebook and the table, no, addition tables, you should write like this. For example, I will give you an example. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So you can draw 1 flower plus another 1 is equal to 2 flowers. If you are using flowers, or you can use apple, or you can use different kind of flowers are there, no? So you can use that or stars. So 1 plus 2, 1 flower plus 2 flowers is equal to 3 flowers. You have to draw this in the book. You have to draw it and see. So that concept of addition, no, it will get into your brain. 1 plus 3, 1 flower plus 3 flowers is equal to 4 flowers. So you count and see. You understood? Next, subtraction. 10 minus 1. 10 flowers or 10 apples minus 1. 1 apple is equal to 9 apples. You have to draw and see 9 apples. Again, multiplication. Multiply 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 1 is coming only once. So, when you see higher numbers, you will understand. 2 into 2. 2 is coming 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So, everything you have to draw and see. Fine? Next, division. 10 divided by 2. You can spread out 10 buttons. Keep 2 away. First 2, second 2, third 2, fourth 2, 5 2. So that means 5 times 5 groups are there. So like that you have to write all the tables so that you will get clarity on these concepts. Let me tell you the great person whom I mentioned you before. It is none other than Sri Raju Narayana Swami IAS. And I am just signing off. And right now saying bye bye.